In this video, I want to talk about another business planning mistake, and that's putting off the financial section of the business planning. I know it's confusing and it can be very hard to approach. It's kind of a weird business planning space, totally separate from the rest of strategy, but we must plan finances. Financial mistakes can be really hard to overcome if you make errors. So to get started in an easy way, I just want to suggest to you to start with a simple cash flow statement. I cover it in other parts of the course, but just to summarize, all it is, without overcomplicating things, it's an itemized list of expenses and revenues. And you would make two of these, one for the time before you start, it's a monthly list, and one for the time period for after you start. It's just arithmetic, just a list. It's super simple and it's not intimidating. Just make that list on a piece of paper, come up with expenses. If you don't know what the expenses are, perfect, that's something to research, and then put it together and eventually have all the costs that you're going to incur. If the costs are too much, you're going to have to think about, well, how do I cut the cost? Do I have to change business strategy? So now you will be incorporating the finances into your overall plan, and this is probably the easiest way to get into it.